Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to share with you how to make these fried lemon pepper chicken bites. This recipe only requires a couple ingredients and it's also very quick to make. So if you're a fan of fried chicken with lemon and pepper, then you'll definitely enjoy this recipe. So to start off the recipe, the first part is to season your chicken. I'm using chicken breast, and for the seasonings I use some salt, chili flakes, cajun seasoning, mixed herbs and also some lemon pepper powder. I did find my lemon pepper powder online. I did just also check and you can find lemon pepper seasoning on Amazon as well. So once all the seasonings are added, I simply just left it aside. I didn't let it marinate overnight, I simply cooked it straight away. And then for the next part, which is very simple, I added in 2 eggs to a bowl, whisked them together, and then I followed that by adding in some plain flour to a bowl as well. I then also added in this lemon pepper chicken fry mix, which I found at my local cash and carry. You can just add in the fry mix by itself instead of the flour, but I just wanted to incorporate them both. To add in more of that lemon pepper flavour, you can also add in some more lemon pepper seasoning, and I ended up adding in some more black pepper as well. After the really easy part, your main prep is done. Also, the chicken can be changed with many different types of proteins. When I do next by salmon, I definitely will try the same recipe with salmon and just make like lemon pepper salmon bites. I've never deep fried or even shallow fried salmon before, so I will have to just give that a try and see how it turns out. I've made the same exact recipe with prawns as well, which is literally just lemon pepper prawns, and they taste just as good. This process of coating the chicken in egg and flour is pretty self-explanatory. To make life easier, you can definitely just add in the flour to a container along with the chicken and just shake it, and it's a lot more easier than doing it like this. So the oil that I'm using, on the bottle literally just said frying oil, so I use that to fry the chicken. If you guys do know the best oil to fry in, then please let me know, because I'm actually not too sure. The best way to check if the oil is hot is to add in a toothpick, and if it starts to bubble, then your oil is done. I ended up adding the chicken pieces in one by one, and I fried them for around 4 minutes on each side. I ended up having a lot less pieces than I did when I started cooking, because I feel like the best way to enjoy fried food is as soon as it's been fried and you just pick on like every single piece. Luckily I was home alone, so no one could just pick on the pieces, or else I would have had none left. Once your chicken is fried, the next part is the last part, which is simply making the sauce for your chicken. Thinking of it, it's not really a sauce because it's more of a coating. So yeah, more of the coating of the chicken. In order to make it, you need to melt some butter. I followed that by adding in a good amount of the lemon pepper seasoning, and I finished that off by adding in a generous amount of lemon. You can also add in some black pepper as well. When it comes to this coating, you can kind of make it as you go along. You may need more, or you may just want to use a little bit of it. I'd also recommend that you start making the coating as the chicken is frying, because there's no better way to enjoy it when it's nice and hot. And then just to finish off everything, I ended up adding on some lemons. I ended up just eating the chicken on its own, but at the time when I did make the lemon pepper prawns, I did actually eat them with noodles, and it was actually so banging. You could also serve this with rice, like plain white boiled rice. I'm not too sure what you could pair it with, but I would just have it literally just with rice on its own with the chicken. If you are in need to make something different and you want to kind of elevate your fried chicken dishes, then I would definitely recommend that you try this recipe. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can't wait to share more recipes since I have time off work now. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one.